Okay, welcome to this short video lecture. We are going to do a problem testing on convolution of two functions, f and g. So here is the problem. To show that f star g equals to g star f, where f of t is 2t and g of t is t power 3. And then this star of this notation shows convolution. So before we solve this problem, let's define what we mean by convolution of two functions. So recall that given two piecewise continuous functions, f of t and g of t, the convolution of f of t and g of t is denoted by f star g and given by so the convolution of f with respect to g is given by the integral 0 to t of f of t minus v multiplied by g of v dv. So this is how we define the convolution of two functions, f and g. So we are going to make use of this definition to show both directions of f star g and g star f and check that the two are the same. So in our problem, we are given that f of t is given by 2t. So which tells us that if we have to go by this definition, f of t minus v will be 2 into t minus v. So which is the same as 2t minus 2v. And g of t is given by t power 3, which tells us that g of v will be given by v power 3. So therefore, f star g, or convolution of f with respect to g, is integral from 0 to t. So where there's f of t minus v, we replace 2t minus 2v. G of v will replace by v cubed and then dv. So this will give us 0 to t, 2t v cubed minus 2v power 4, and then dv. This is a very easy integral to evaluate. So when you evaluate this one, you get, this will give us 2t v power 4 divided by 4 minus 2v power 5 over 5, and then v from 0 to v equals to t. Those are the limits of integration. So putting in the limits of integration, we get so the upper limit will give us 2. So where there's v put t, so we have v times v power 4 over 4 minus 2. So where there's v we put t, so this will be given by t times t power 4, then 2t power 5 over 5 minus lower limit will be 2t times 0 power 4 over 4 minus 2 0 power 5 over 5. And then it should be very obvious that you see this will be 0, this will be 0. So all this part will be 0. And using laws of indices, at this point, t power 1, t power 4 give us 2 t power 5 over 4 minus 2 t power 5 over 4 over 5. LCM here is 20. So 5 times this will give us 10 t power 5. And then minus 8 t power 5. So f star g will give us 10 minus 8 is 2, so 2t power 5 divided by 20 on simplification gives you t power 5 over 10. So this is one way. The other way, conversely, g convoluted with respect to f is defined by integral from 0 to t, and then g of t minus v multiplied by f of v dv. This by definition. So we were told that g of t was given by t power 3. So which tells us that g of t minus v is the same as t minus v power 3. On expansion, we get t power 3 minus 3t squared v plus 3t v squared, and then minus v power 3. And then g or f of t from the equation, f of t is given by 2t. So which tells us that f of v will be given by just 2v. So replacing into the formula, we have g star f is given by integral from 0 to t, and then t cubed minus 3t squared v plus 3tv squared minus v power 3. Everything is multiplied by 2v and then dv. So g star f will be given by integral from 0 to t. So 2vt cubed minus 6t squared v squared plus 6t v power 3, then minus 2v power 4. Then we are integrating with respect to v. So then this is a very simple integral to evaluate using power rule, so that we have so v squared over 2, this by these two cancels out, so then v squared t cubed minus, this will be 2t squared v power 3 plus 6t v power 4 over 4 minus 2v power 5 over 5, and then v from 0 to v equals to t. So you realize that lower limit will be 0. So therefore, G of G star F will be T. So this will be T squared, and then times T power 3 minus 2 T squared times T power 3 plus this is like 3 over 2 T times T power 4 minus 2 T power 5 over 5. And then just minus 0 because lower limit will be 0. So G star F will be T power 5 minus 2 T power 5 plus 3 T power 5 over 2 minus 2 T power 5 over 5. And then LCM is 10. So 10 T power 5 minus 20 T power 5 plus 15 T power 5 minus 4 T power 5 gives us G star F. And then, so 10 plus 15 is 25. So 25 T power 5 minus 20 T power 5 minus 4 T power 5 over 10. 25 minus 20 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So therefore, G star F will give us T power 5 over 10. And clearly, you see this is the same answer we got for F star G. So therefore, at this point, we can clearly say that convolution of F with respect to G the same as convolution of G with respect to F. So this is how we show it. You must show both direction, F star G and G star F, to get full marks. If you show only for F star G and you don't show the other way around, you get half of the marks. So thank you.